So today we are going to discuss about JavaScript basics. Today we are going to discuss about JavaScript basics. Well, guys, ServiceNow uses JavaScript basics for the development. The JavaScript basics I am going to teach you as part of this training. And tomorrow also there is a session. We are going to have a session in tomorrow, Saturday as well, because I think we couldn't continue the sessions in the past right properly. So that is why I want to take a extra session on the Saturday, on this coming Saturday. Okay. Well, guys, tomorrow, today and tomorrow we'll be taking JavaScript basics. Okay. So these basics will help you understand ServiceNow development easily. Okay. So 90% of the time we'll be using these JavaScript basics only. 90% of the time we'll be using this JavaScript only. Okay. So we are going to learn about this JavaScript in today's session and tomorrow's session as well. Okay. So to practice this JavaScript basics, where do we have to practice? We have to practice this JavaScript basics in ServiceNow platform itself. In the ServiceNow itself, you can practice this JavaScript basics. So to practice ServiceNow platform, you have to go to background scripts. Go to scripts background here. So here you need to make sure you have black screen here. This black screen is visible only when you have SNUtils extension is added to your browser. SNUtils browser is added to SNUtils Chrome browser is added to your if it is added to your browser, right? This SNUtils Chrome browser is added to your Chrome, right? So then you will be able to see this black screen, or else you won't be able to see this black screen. See, if you see this black screen, you will be able to see the suggestions. You'll be able to see the suggestion, something like this one. Okay. So the black screen so that it will be easy for you to practice JavaScript basics here. Okay. So well, guys, in ServiceNow system, first of all, in JavaScript, first of all, what we need to understand is that we need to understand declaring the variable. Declaring the variable. So variable you will be declaring in the ServiceNow system using var keyword. Okay, var. So variable name can be you can define you can define your name. You can define any variable name. Okay, so I'm just keeping my name here. Okay, my name here. My name is equal to I'm just keeping Uday Gadiparthi. Okay. Well, guys, here this is how you will declare the variable name. So you will declare the variable name using var keyword. After var, if you give any name, that is a variable name. Okay. So in this variable name, you stored Uday Gadiparthi name. You stored Uday Gadiparthi name. Okay. Well, guys, why do we have to store this Uday Gadiparthi name in this variable? Why do we have to store this Uday Gadiparthi name in this variable? Because we can reuse that Uday Gadiparthi name by using variable. We can reuse this Uday Gadiparthi name using this using this variable. Okay. So how can I reuse it? So to print the output on the console, right? You have to use gs.print here. You have to use gs.print. In the gs.print, you will pass the variable name here. Okay. So I can print the Uday Gadiparthi name multiple times here. Okay. It will print Uday Gadiparthi name 4 times here. It's printed Uday Gadiparthi name 4 times or not? Okay. So I am able to use Uday Gadiparthi name multiple times using this variable or not? So instead of Uday Gadiparthi name 4 times here, I am just declaring this Uday Gadiparthi name in this one variable. I am using that variable at multiple places, right? So value, we can use variables for reusability purpose. Okay. So you will declare the variable using var keyword. Okay, using var keyword, you will declare a variable name. So var age is equal to let's say 35. Okay, you are storing this 35 value in this variable. Let me just print gs.print here. Age. I'm just storing my name here. Okay, you can see 35 and Uday Gadiparthi. Likewise, you can store the values in the variables so that variables can be reused. Okay, so that variables can be reused. Okay, fine. Guys, here when we are declaring the variable name, var, after var keyword, you have to use var keyword to declare the variable. First of all, you need to remember. After var, you can define any variable name. So while you are actually providing the variable name, okay, so you should not keep like 77 Uday. It is not a variable name. It is not a variable name. For variable declaration, you should not use numbers in the beginning. You have used numbers in the beginning. Okay. For variable declaration, you should not use capital letter in the beginning. You should not use capital letter in the beginning. Okay. So for variable declaration, you should use always small letter in the beginning, my name. So here, if you use capital letter in the middle, here I have used N capital letter here. I have used N capital letter in the middle. So if you use capital letter in the middle, that is nothing but camel case. Okay. For JavaScript variable declaration, we will use camel case. Understand my point? For JavaScript variable declaration, we will use camel case. So here I have used camel case here. Or what we can do is, you can also use my underscore name. Something like that you can use it. Python language use this format. JavaScript use camel case. Likewise, you will be declaring the variables. Okay. JavaScript variables should be following the camel case. Is equal to Uday Gadiparthi. Always remember, guys, if you are writing something in the string, if you are writing in the single quotes, that is nothing but string. Here, my name is not actually written in the single quotes, right? If it is not written in the single quotes, that is a variable. That is a variable. If that is written in the single quotes, that is string. Here, Uday Gadiparthi is a string, right? So you are actually assigning string to this variable. You are assigning string to this particular variable. If you see even double quotes also, that is also a string. If you use double quotes also, that is also a string. If you see single quotes and double quotes, that is called a string. So why do we use double quotes is that in the string, sometimes you might have single quotes. Okay. The string, sometimes you might have single quotes. So if you have single quotes in the string, right? So then you have to use double quotes in the string. See, if you keep single quotes here, right? See, is it looking like a string? So if there is single quotes in the middle of the string, you have to use double quotes here. Okay. Now let me just print this one. See, this my name is not in the single quotes. This is a variable. If something is not in the single quotes, that is a variable. If something is in the single quotes, that is actually a string. If something is in the double quotes, that is also a string. Okay, now you can see it has printed the single quotes as well here. Okay, in this case, if the single quotes is in the middle of the string, then you have to use double quotes here. If there is no single quotes in the middle of the string, you can use single quotes here in the end. Okay, well, that is how you will declare the variables, guys. That is how you will declare the variables. Okay, string means difference between the string and variable. You guys are clear, right? Something is not in the single quotes, that is a variable. Something is here in the single quotes, that is a string. Okay, fine. So I am declaring variable where. So now everybody is able to understand how to declare the variable, right? Using where keyword, where color is equal to current dot get value color underscore id. So form color, right? Form color will be stored in this variable. Got my point? Form color on the form, on the incident form, there is color field, right? On the color field, whatever is the value, that value you are storing in this JavaScript variable. Got my point? Okay. So that is how you will declare the JavaScript variables. Okay. So the best part with the JavaScript variable is that JavaScript variable is data type sensitive. JavaScript variable is actually data type sensitive. Data type sensitive means it will store integers, it will store objects, it will store arrays, it also will store Boolean values, it also will store undefined values, it will store everything. JavaScript variables will store integers. Integers means numbers. It will store strings. Okay, it will store arrays, it will store objects, it will store Boolean values, it will store undefined values. So now let me just store one by one. Where my name is equal to Uday Gadiparthi. So I am actually storing string in this variable. This is a string, right? Okay. Where age is equal to 35. That is not my age. Okay. So here I'm storing the number here. Integer. I'm storing the integer in this JavaScript variable. Okay, I'm able to store string, I'm able to store integer. Now where percentage is equal to 99.08%. I'm able to store floating point number as well in the JavaScript variable. Where is passed is equal to true. Passed means true. Boolean values also I am able to store here in this JavaScript variable. Okay. So everywhere you see I have used small letters only. Okay, here I used P as capital letter here. To declare the JavaScript variable, I have to start with small letter. I have to use camel case. Okay. Where object is equal to, you can also store object as well. Where array is equal to, you can also store array as well. Where actual name is equal to, I am not defining this variable. I'm not defining this variable. Yeah, A should not be capital letter. Okay. So I haven't provided any value. I haven't provided any value to this actual name. So this JavaScript variable will store any type of value. Okay. JavaScript variable will store any type of value. It will store string type, it will store integer type, it will store percentage type, it will store boolean type, it will store object type, array type, undefined type. JavaScript variable will store any kind of values. Okay. Well, guys, if you remember, to get the current logged in user system ID, okay, to get the current logged in user system ID, what we will do? G underscore user dot user ID. This is what we will use, right? So this current logged in user system ID I'm storing in JavaScript variable where logged in user ID is equal to. In this JavaScript variable, I'm storing the current logged in user system ID. No point. Hmm? So likewise, you will store the values in the JavaScript variables, variable declaration and all data types. JavaScript variable will store all type of data types. Okay, fine. So if you are able to understand this one, now we will be able to understand. Now we will be able to understand the operators. Operators. We have equal to operator, double equal to operator, triple equal to operator, not equal to operator, asterisk operator, asterisk operator. Okay, we'll come to this point later. We equal to operator, asterisk operator, division operator, greater than operator, less than operator. Okay, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, triple equal to, not equal to, okay, or condition. These are the operators that we have in JavaScript. Equal to means it is an assignment operator. It's an assignment operator. If you take a look at here, I am declaring a JavaScript variable here where my name is equal to I am using is equal to. Why am I using is equal to here? So I am assigning Uday Gadiparthi value to this particular variable, JavaScript variable. Okay. If you take a look at here, I'm going to create another variable where age is equal to. Is equal to is an assignment operator. I'm assigning 5 value to age here. I'm assigning 5 value to age variable using equal to here. Equal to is an assignment operator. Okay. Well, we have asterisk. Asterisk operator is multiplication operator. Multiplication operator. Okay. So let me just use gs.print to print the output in the console. In the gs.print, so 5 asterisk 5. 5 jar 25. So we should get the output here in the console as 25. This asterisk symbol is actually multiplication symbol. Okay. Plus an addition symbol. Okay. Here 5 plus 5. We'll get the output as here. And we have minus here. Minus is subtraction. So 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. Well, we have these operators like equal to operator is an assignment operator, asterisk is a multiplication operator, plus is a addition operator, minus is a division operator. This is actually minus is a subtraction operator. This is a division operator. Okay. One. 5 by 5 is 1, right? So likewise, we have division operator and we have percentile operator as well. We have percentile operator. Percentile operator will give you 5 by 5, 0. 6 by 5, it will give you 1. We'll show you. 5 percentile. Here I am using percentile here. 5 percentile 5, 0. Okay. 6 percentile 5, 1. So 10 percentile 5, 0. See, that means if 5 is multiple of, see, 5 by 5, 0. 10 by 5, 0. 15 by 5, 0. 20 by 5, sorry. See, 5 percentile 5, 0. 10 percentile 5, 0. 15 percentile 5, 0. 20 percentile 5, 0. 25 percentile 0. Understand my point? So let us say if I give 26 percentile 5, you will get value as 1. If you give 27 here, you will get the value as 2. Okay. It will only look for 5 multiples. It will only look for 5 multiples. See, 5 percentile 5, 0. 10 percentile 5, 0. 15 percentile 5, 0. 17 percentile 5, 2. 18 percentile 5, 3. Yeah, what is the value that is remaining? That will be calculated. Okay, percentile. So this is actually percentile, which will actually look for multiples. Okay, I am not able to define what we will use this percentile and all. And we have one important one that is actually plus equal to operator. Plus equal to. Okay. Plus equal to is a concatenation operator. It's a concatenation operator. Plus equal to is a concatenation operator. So I will tell you guys. Okay. So where my name is equal to Uday Gadiparthi. Okay. Okay. Where my details is equal to I have okay. So these are two variables. I want to combine these two variables. Combining these two values is nothing but concatenation. Combining these two values is nothing but concatenation. Okay. So well, where full description is equal to, I am actually concatenating this my name plus my details. Okay. So here I have to use a space to concatenate these two, right? I am giving the space or comma. So I'm actually using comma here. Comma. I'm using comma. Uday Gadiparthi, comma. I have 12 years experience in IT, more than 5 years experience in training. So I'm actually concatenating this variable value and this variable value. Okay, I want to print this full description here. Here's dot print. Using plus keyword, right? Plus is multiplication operator, but also it is used for concatenation as well. You guys can ask me. Plus, you told that it is an addition operator, right? It will actually add two values, right? It is also used to concatenate the values as well. So here I'm concatenating these two strings, Uday Gadiparthi and these values. See, if I concatenate these things, you can see Uday Gadiparthi, I have 12 years experience in IT and more than 5 years experience in training. I'm able to combine these two values, right? Comma separated. Here you can see comma separated. Or in place of comma, you can keep something like this one. See, Uday Gadiparthi, I have 12 years experience in IT and more than 5 years experience in training. So I have used plus keyword to combine two strings. I have used plus keyword to combine two strings. Okay. So now you tell me, now we will understand how to use plus equal to. Okay. So here I have used two variables, right? Now what I am doing is I am using the same variable, my name plus equal to, means I am adding value to this value. Yes. It's boring. Okay. So to this value, I am using is equal to operator and combining these two values. Okay. I am printing the value now. gs.print. Now you can see the combined value. So equal to plus operator is used to concatenate two variables. Plus equal to you are concatenating the string using the same variable. See, my name is a variable. To this my name you are concatenating using plus equal to. Remember this point. Okay. Fine. So plus equal to, you guys are clear, right? Plus equal to is to concatenate the values. So let me give you one more example here. I am giving 70 value here. So I want to add 30 to I want to add 30 value to this one. I'm actually concatenating. It will give you 100 value in total. See, whatever is the value, to that value you are appending something. You got my point? Everyone? Everybody is clear or not? Guys, these operators. Okay. Well, we have less than operator, we have greater than operator, less than operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, triple equal to, not equal to, or operator, and operator. Now we will be discussing about. Okay, leave about these variables here. Okay. So 5 greater than 4. 5 greater than 4, right? Okay. So then you will get the Boolean value as true. See, it is giving true. 5 greater than 90. False. Okay. Greater than is actually used. I'm unmuting everyone, guys. Please keep yourself muted. Okay. Please keep yourself muted. I'm unmuting everyone. Okay. Okay. See, 5 greater than 90. Is that true? False. That is why we have got false. 5 less than 90. Everyone, you guys are able to understand? Pravalika.
Yes, Uday. Actually, I have a doubt in the last concatenation, so that's why I pinged.
No worries. I will clear your doubt. Okay.
Yeah.
So 5 less than 90. 5 less than 90, right? True. 5 less than 4. 5 less than 4? False. Five less than or equal to 5. Now you tell me 5 less than or equal to 5. You will get the Boolean value as true. Here you are using equal to here. Less than or equal to. Okay. Then you will get the Boolean value as true here. See, I have used equal to operator here. Less than or equal to. Okay. 5 less than or equal to 4. False. Less than or equal to will actually check the equal to operator as well. 5 equal to 5 or less than. Okay. Hmm. 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 So greater than 5 greater than or equal to 4. True. Okay. 4 less than or equal to 4. True. 4 less than or equal to 4. See, 5 less than or equal to 5 less than or equal to 4. False. You should get the output out here. 5 less than. I've used greater than, right?
That's greater than. Yeah.
So 5 less than or equal to 4. False. Okay. Yes, it will check for two conditions, equal to and less than operator. So this is actually less than operator. 5 less than or equal to 4. Okay, 5 less than or equal to 4 means false, right? Understand my point?
Yes.
Okay. So here we discussed about greater than operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay. So now we will understand equal to operator. Equal to operator will compare the exact match. Exact match. Here it is not actually comparing the exact match. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, it is comparing, right? 5 less than or equal to 4. False. 5 less than or equal to 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. True. Yeah. So here, if you want to compare the exact match, okay, 5 equal to 7. Is that 5 equal to 7? See, double equal to is for comparison, equal to is for assignment. Remember, see here we have equal to here. Equal to is for assignment operator. Double equal to is for comparison operator. Double equal to is a comparison operator. Okay. So here 5 equal to 7, false. 5 equal to 5. True. What I'm doing is where my age is equal to 24, where threshold age is equal to 18. Okay. I have to compare these two. So let us take some what do we say? Voter ID. Voter ID. See, threshold is actually 18 years. To get the voter ID, you should have 18 years age. That is the threshold age. But my age is actually 24. Okay. If my age is if my age is greater than or equal to threshold age. Okay. Okay. So that means you are eligible or not. So it will give you the Boolean value as true here. It will give you the Boolean value as true here. Let us say my age is 16. You are not eligible. Okay. Well, I want to compare these two ages. I want to compare these two ages here. So if I want to compare these two ages, I'll use equal to. Exact match. Both should be matched exactly. Should be 18. This should be 18. So one is 16, one is 18, right? It should be false. Okay. So here I have used double equal to, right? Now we have triple equal to here. Triple equal to here. So triple equal to is also used for comparison. Okay. Triple equal to is also used for comparison. So guys, I am keeping this number in the strings. So here it seems like number, but it is a string. It is in the single quotes, right? So it is string, it is a number. Okay. So my age is a string. This one is actually a number. If you use double equal to, let us say here also I am giving here. If I use double equal to, it is a string, it is a integer. It will compare these two. Still it will give the Boolean value as true here. So if you use triple equal to, it will also check the data type. This one is a string data type. This one is an integer data type. So it will compare the two data types and it will give the Boolean value as false here. Triple equal to will also compare the data types. Triple equal to will also compare the data types. Okay. Double equal to will compare the values only. Triple equal to will compare the values along with the data types. Okay. So here I am giving again back to 16 here. Okay. So my age is, see here explanatory symbol equal to, my age is not equal to threshold age. See here 16 and 18 both are not same, right? Then you will get the Boolean value as true. Not equal to. See, double equal to is actually exact match. Not equal to means should not match. Not equal to means should not match. Okay. See, not equal to means should not match, guys. If these two values are not matching, this will give you the Boolean value as true. If these two values are matching, it will give the Boolean value as false. It is reverse to double equal to. Well, we have OR operator here. This is called OR operator. Pipe symbol is called OR operator, guys. It's called OR operator. Why do we use this OR operator? Let us say you have two conditions. You have two conditions. In these two conditions, if any condition is satisfied, you will get the Boolean value as true. See, here we have only one condition, right? Here you have only one condition. Understand my point? Suppose if you have two conditions. Suppose if you have two conditions. See, let me just remove this variable. I have only my age. My age is between 20 to 30. Okay. Or if my age is between 20 to 30, or if my age is between 40 to 50. Two conditions. If any condition is satisfied, if my age is between 20 to 30, or if my age is between 40 to 50, if any condition is satisfied, it will be true. Okay. Or if my age is below 20, or if my age is below above 40. Understand my point? If my age is below 20, or if my age is below above 40, any condition is satisfied, then it is okay. You will get the Boolean value as true. If you have age between these 20 to 40, you should get the Boolean value as false. So two conditions here. Okay. My age is less than 20. One condition. R. R. Symbol is nothing but R. My age is greater than 40. Any condition is satisfied, then you will get the Boolean value as true. See, 16 is less than 20. This is true, but this is false. But you will get the Boolean value as true. I am giving here as 26 now. This is not satisfied. This is not satisfied. False. Okay, I am giving here as 46 here. 46 is greater than 40, right? Then this condition is satisfied. This condition is false. If any out of these two conditions, any condition is satisfied, Boolean value is true. This condition is satisfied. This condition is false. But this is true, right? You will get the Boolean value as true. Okay. If both conditions are not satisfied, false. If both conditions are satisfied, true. If both conditions are satisfied, true. If any of the one condition is satisfied, true. If both conditions not satisfied, false. If both conditions satisfied, true. If any one condition is satisfied, true. At least one condition should be satisfied so that it will be true. Okay. Understand my point? Two conditions should be satisfied. If there are two conditions should be satisfied. If there are three conditions should be satisfied. Then you will use AND operator. So age should be between 20 and 30, guys. Age should be between 20 and 30. Okay. So my age is greater than 20 and my age is less than 30. So this should be satisfied and also this should be satisfied. Both should be satisfied. Only then you will get the Boolean value as true, or else you will get the Boolean value as false. So 46. 46 is not within the range, right? This condition is not satisfied. This one is not satisfied. False. If you give it as 25 here, this both will be satisfied. 25 is 25 greater than 20, 25 less than 30. Both are true, right? Then you will get the Boolean value as true. See, R condition means any one condition satisfied is also fine. If any one condition is satisfied, then fine. End condition means both the conditions should be satisfied. If there are three conditions should be satisfied. If there are four conditions should be satisfied. If you have R condition, right? If you have R condition, okay. So let us say you have four conditions. Out of these four conditions, only one condition is satisfied. Remaining conditions are not satisfied. Still, you will get the Boolean value as true if you are using R condition. Okay. So R means if any one condition is satisfied out of four, then it will be true. Out of 4, 2 satisfied, true. Out of 4, 3 satisfied, true. Out of 4, 4 satisfied, true. Out of 4, 4 not satisfied means false. When it comes to the AND operator, if there are 4 conditions, 3 conditions are met and the 4th condition is not met, then false. All the conditions should be satisfied to give the Boolean value as true when you are using AND operator. Okay. So these are the operators that you have in the JavaScript, guys. Okay, these are the operators which we will be using in coming sessions. Equal to operators we will be using majorly. Asterisk symbol, this is actually multiplication operator. Plus symbol for addition operator. Minus symbol, this is a subtraction operator. Division operator. Percentile operator. Plus equal to is a concatenator operator. Concatenation operator. Okay. And we have less than operator, greater than operator. This is greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, triple equal to, not equal to, or operator, and operator. These are the operators that we have in the JavaScript, guys. So, guys, questions will be allowed to ask. Questions will be allowed in the end of the session. Okay. Now I will take the conditions. We have actually type of conditions. If else condition, if else if condition, which condition, which condition. Okay. So now let us take the voter ID one. Okay, voter ID one. Where my age is equal to 17. Where actual age is equal to 18. To get the vote, right? To get the voter ID, you should have at least 18 years. Okay. So here I'm actually writing the condition here, if condition. In the if, you have to pass the Boolean value as true here. You have to pass the Boolean value as true here always. So if Boolean value is true, condition will be satisfied. Okay. If the Boolean value is, here it is false, it will go to else part. Okay. If the Boolean value is true, this condition will be satisfied. If the Boolean value is false, this will be run. So here, my age is greater than or equal to actual age. Okay. So I'm actually printing the output here as gs.print. So it will give the Boolean value, right? True. It will give the Boolean value as true, right? So output, it will give the Boolean value as true, that we have seen already. True or false. So if true, this condition will be satisfied, right? gs.print eligible for voter ID. Else gs.print not eligible for voter ID. Okay, 17. Is he eligible? No, right?
No.
So here we have got the value as not eligible for voter ID. So here I am giving here as 27. 27 is eligible, right? Eligible for voter ID. So condition, if condition. In the if condition, it should be Boolean value as true. This will give the, if condition is satisfied, it will give the Boolean value as true. If it is true, it will say eligible for voter ID. If it is false, not eligible for voter ID. Okay. So that is the condition. That is how you will actually keep the conditions in the JavaScript. Okay. So remaining conditions, like current bill example, we'll be discussing in tomorrow session. Okay. So just we are able to understand how to declare the JavaScript variable. and what are the data types that we have in the JavaScript. And we have discussed about operators, and also we have started discussing conditions. Okay. So somebody is trying to ask a question, guys. You are unmuted.
So actually, I just joined late, so now I just wanted to, I mean, once again, can you explain about data types? I don't know, like what exactly it is.
Sure. So we have data types in the JavaScript. We have different data types in the JavaScript. Okay. So we have integer type. Integer is actually nothing but in number. Okay.
Okay.
So number is actually a data type. So in the JavaScript variable, you can store any data type. You can store number type. You can see data type as number here. So here I am giving here as Uday. Here it is actually data type as string. You can see string here.
Yes.
If I use object, you can see it is not giving the name as object here. So it is actually object. If you define it, I didn't define any value. Here it is actually saying, here it is actually undefined data type. Here it is actually undefined, equal to Uday. It is a string data type. String, integer, floating point, Boolean value. Or false means Boolean value.
Okay.
Boolean value. And also you can store objects. You can also store trace. Okay. So these are data types. JavaScript will hold any type of data type. Any data type it will hold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To start the script, like we have to use GS as a JavaScript.
No. To print the output on the console, we will use gs.print.
Okay. So
To,
GS, yeah.
to print the output in the console, we will use gs.print. Okay.
Just to print the output.
Yeah, just to print the output, we will use gs.print in the script.
Yeah, got it.
Any questions from anyone?
Yeah, Uday. Actually, you told about operators, right? Like or operator and and operator. If we have any conditions in the combination of and or, so
We
is
can
there?
use it.
Yeah, but how it will execute, like first and condition or condition?
From right side to left side. Conditions are satisfied from right side to left side.
So irrespective of the and or, it will
Yes.
take the right from the right side.
Yes.
Okay. So no need to separate with the brackets or something, right?
No, you have to separate it with brackets as well.
Okay. Okay.
You have to separate it with brackets.
Okay. And also in the concatenation, actually we use plus only, but this is new for me, plus and after that equal to. And you have appended with the string value for the my name variable. So can we append with the another variable with the
Yes.
same plus
Yes.
sign? Oh,
Let me just show you where my name is equal to Uday. Okay. I'm actually appending this one using my name plus equal to 18. Okay. 18 is a number, right?
yes.
And Uday is a string, right? Can see?
Okay.
Able to
Can we
append it?
take this 18 into another variable, declaring another variable, this 18?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
declare it. You can declare
Yes.
it.
Okay.
Where age is equal to 10. Here you have to separately concatenate them. So my
Like
name
the first one, plus,
plus
that's it.
H.
Okay. Only appending with the undeclared variable, we use plus and equal to.
Yes.
If we have two variables, we will just use plus.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
See, I'll teach you how to use that appending operator.
Okay.
See, these are the basic things that we'll be using in the script, guys. Variables, JavaScript variables declaration, and operators will be using it. Assignment operator, equal to will be using a lot. Equal to will be using double equal to, triple equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, plus equal to, plus operator. We'll be using these operators. And also we'll be using the conditions as well. If condition, what how to use the if condition and all, you guys are clear, right? We'll be discussing even more in detail in tomorrow session about loops and conditions. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll be connecting in tomorrow session. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Uday. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.